How to fix Instagram, try again later. First thing, go to settings on your phone, open the apps manager. When you open the apps on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So what you want to do is go to the search bar here and search for Instagram like this, and then it will take you to the app informations page. Or what you want to do here, click on this force stop to stop the app from running in the background of your phone, and then go to the notifications. Make sure that every notification here is enabled, and then click down here on this more settings option. It will take you to the Instagram, and then go to this pause all and choose 15 minutes, and then go back into the settings, and now go to the data usage, disable all those options and enable them back again. Go back and click on the storage, click on clear data and click on clear cache. That's it guys, now turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe.